How to fix TikTok unable to authorize please try again issue. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are trying to log into TikTok but this message as unable to authorize please try again error occurs, then what you need to do is firstly exit from TikTok application. Now you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Whether you are using Wi Fi or mobile data, a poor connection could cause authorization errors. So, you need to try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Other thing is, you simply need to clear TikTok app cache. Hold on TikTok and then tap App Info. Now choose Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data and tap Delete. This will remove any corrupted data causing the issue. Now you need to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. For that, launch Google Play Store or App Store. Search TikTok. If there is updates, update it to the latest version. Outdated version of TikTok will create different kinds of issues like authorizations. Now you can even try a different device if none of the above steps worked. And reinstall TikTok application by tapping and holding it. Tap on install and select on install. Now reinstall TikTok again. And after that, your issue should be resolved. I hope this guide helped. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.